Hey bro, you wanna make some money as a beginner YouTuber
Yeah, sure.
or videographer? Come with me. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bojan Vavan. I just want to talk to you about how to make money as a beginner videographer with no experience or a YouTuber. All you need is passion for videography, making videos, and basically that's it. That's how I made a little amount of money, but I'm a beginner, so this is my experience with this way of making money. And this also can turn into some kind of passive income. It's a black box site who sells your videos as a stock footage. This site is doing a job for you, basically sharing your videos or all other sites who sell stock videos, stock footage. You just need to upload your videos to black box and just wait money to come. I'm not going to detail with this, I'm just giving you an idea. This is how I made my first online money as a videographer. For me it took 8 months, I think. I didn't even try so hard. I upload 21 video, and after 8 months I sold 2 of them, made $19. You certainly have a ton of footage just laying on your drives. Just upload it and give it a try. You never know. The more you upload, the greater is chance to get some money. So give it a try. I will leave a link in description, and that's it for this video. So see ya in next one. And yeah, subscribe and like this video. So